Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This Is Fishing. Nat Chonky Sharden. We've got a boat next to us. We've got friends with us. We're going to throw out some shark rods and see if we can't catch what? A donkey.
Have you ever called me on camera Nat Chonky Sharden? There's always been Nat Chonky Sharden.
Nat Chonky Sharden.
I swear you've never actually.
No, I'm pretty sure I just confused myself to the point that I think that's your name. Alrighty guys, let's get into it. Technique, we got the balloon. I'm pretty sure I got the balloon. We haven't worked that out yet. I'm gonna float him out, I don't know, 30 meters or so. Pull the balloon off, let it drop, and get into him.
Shark on, baby.
I'll pull. Should I be pulling this in? Out of the road?
Oh boy.
Oh fuck yeah.
Still pulling it?
Yeah.
Nice. Fuck
We'll
yeah.
know in a few minutes if it's a juvie or a mum.
Come on, give us some milk, give us some milk. Give us some milk. Juvie.
Oh! He's jumped!
Did he really?
Oh, not fully jumped, but he come out of the water a bit.
Should I spring out again or?
Yeah, I'm over him though.
You want it? No, you have it. You have it.
Yeah, you guys are going away. Bye. Guys, still just following, keeping at a safe distance. And if they run back towards us, we'll just trim the motor right up, turn it off, let it go.
If it runs towards us, they'll shout no run very loud.
No run.
Back up.
Like, if I knew exactly where they were going, I'd go in front of them and just sort of meet them there, but we're going to just keep that distance because I can see a line. I know it's out her left-hand side of the boat, so we'll stay on the right. If it starts coming this way, we'll peel out that way or back right off.
And we're going to learn how to tag.
And we're going to learn how to tag, guys. Renee and Brad have tags for these sharks, so they're going to do all the proper sign. Yeah, I'm just going to write "fuck you" up the side of it. Guys, they've hooked a crab pot. It's wrapped itself around a crab pot. I believe it's off. Could be wrong. I believe she just said it's off. So I'm going to motor a little bit closer. If I see them fighting it or whatever, I'll peel out again. I think it's off. The way she's not even holding the rod now, so. You're on too, Nat, or are we on together?
On each other most likely. Sure.
Yeah.
Nice one?
Yeah. No.
He's still there. You alright?
Woo! That scared me.
Ow!
You want to come deal with your rod, butt?
Yeah, mate.
Because we're crossed over.
Jump on your right side. Oh no!
Nah, just big head shake.
Big head shake. Fuck, I just seen that line come back.
Oh, I know.
Scared as fuck.
I'll get you to put that belt on me too when you. As Dad said, that stick tangled around it.
Wait.
Well, no, you're on. You're on. Oh no.
Oh no.
Quickly, quickly, quickly!
Slack.
fucking wrapped around here a million times. Oh, I'll just cut it, we'll be right.
For mine?
Yeah.
Fuck me, dude. How did that happen?
I have no idea.
That is whack.
It felt good for a minute there though. Fish on!
It's coming that way. He's not big.
You just want to let that cork go?
Yeah.
Fine.
Boy, up the eel though.
Yeah, up the eel! Do you want the belt?
Eel.
Do you want the
big chunk of eel.
Do you want the belt?
Fuck no. Why don't you grab a photo of me winding it?
Oh, I can.
Okay.
Let's just ignore the snake and
Yeah, that just got a call to go catch a snake, but I think I'll have to let that one go through.
how the fuck did it manage to do that? He's coming. I think he's still part of their line. That red strap doesn't have a hook on the end of it or nothing? Nah, beautiful.
Am I under that or wrapped around?
I think
that?
you're wrapped.
Alright. I'll loosen up a bit here.
There you go.
Okay, you're free down that.
Free.
Wine. Yes! Shonky!
Hold the wind.
Take a shot.
Oh, sure.
Yep, get in wind.
Oh! He's not bad either. I just want to move this bucket.
Hey, he's a good little shark, this one. Hey, he's not bad. He'll go over 1.5.
He's sitting just down in that current eye.
Good little shark. You want me to get it? Oh, you got him. That corner is pretty deep. What do you got? Just twist it.
There's Trace. Yeah, you jump up the front, I'll pass you the rod.
Yeah.
He's going.
That's what you want to see, isn't it?
Fucking oath, bro.
Go, buddy. Go. Can't believe it. That's it.
Yeah, that was a bit of a stitch up, wasn't it? Do we think we need a rope?
Let's have a look.
Where's Renee's anchor?
You haven't come up.
Is that Renee's anchor in front of us?
No, that's a crap one.
Did she just pull her anchor this time?
You always seen him.
Oh, nice one. Let him come around here, I'll pull him in the boat.
Yeah, straight up.
He's tonked that hook.
Pass you the rod.
Yeah, you come round.
You got that tight?
Not yet.
Ready? Nice. Come around on your
Yeah, I'm stuck on these rods. Whoa! I'm stuck on these rods. I'll need you to come grab the trace. Oh, quickly. Hang on to him because he's stuck around these rods. Alright, we're clear of the rods.
Right, we want to get him in or what?
Yeah, I reckon. He's not that big, is he?
Yeah, he's not that big. You've got to be crazy when you
Oh,
get him
fuck, he's tonked that hook though.
in. Yeah, that's a worry, eh?
Have you got your long stick? Have you got your long pole?
Did you guys have a crab fight?
Hey, we're fishing for sharks. Stop fucking around with the crabs. Anyway, we can just get up in over here and get a good shot.
Yeah, mate. Boat doesn't really like two people leaning on the edge.
Oh, you made a mess of that fucking
He's fucking smashed that.
Alright guys, we're going to figure out what we're going to do and sort him out. Do you reckon we can just motor over there and pull him up on the grass?
Do you reckon we'll just motor over that bank or get him up?
Normally, Rick Brad can grab us.
Watch it. Toes. Jump over, Shonky. Oh, hang on to it.
Ready?
Yeah. And I'm going to stand up and you and Brad can work.
Righto. Isn't he beautiful?
Yeah. You can give him a tag too.
How do you tag?
Oh, yeah.
Let go.
You right?
Oh, just the rod.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Grab it, grab it.
I was actually saying grab the rod.
Nice one, mate.
Get closer, I'll screenshot a photo.
Nice.
You beauty.
Oh, you forgot to fuck it! Oh shit, I didn't realise Renee was recording. I was going to say, that's normal on my channel, so...